Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher, and today I'm going to be showing you my latest design that's now on Etsy. This began as a stitch along with Ariane, and it featured 8 Zoom classes, 8 one-hour Zoom classes that we did over the course of 8 weeks. We took 2 weeks off because it was in the middle of the holidays. But it was a group of great, enthusiastic, fabulous hand stitchers. We had so much fun. So this is the bag. It's a drawstring bag. And it's fully lined. The back is a solid back. And when I designed it, I was thinking of waves and water, and the background is linen pieced, so the waves are appliqued on, and I started just with the embellishments here of the waves, and then and added the wool shapes, and which were supposed to be sort of the rocks underwater and that rise above the water. But I really didn't have any more of a concept other than that. And so I did a little watercolor sketch. I printed out the pattern and I presented it to the group, and everyone was really excited. And we had just such a fun time. So every week on Monday, I would release the next shape. And then on Thursday, we would have our class. And we would go over anything that was confusing, or I would tweak the videos that I made. And now this whole thing, this design, is up on my Etsy shop. And when you purchase it, you're getting the pattern, you're getting all the templates to make this bag, and then you're getting very detailed and well photographed instructions of how to embellish it and all the different techniques I use. I made individual videos for each one. And those videos are embedded within the instructions as hot links that you can click on, which then take you to the video of me demonstrating that shape. So it's kind of like buying a design as well as a whole workshop, really, a class, all in one. And the idea that I had about this was that I wanted people, even the person who has never picked up a needle and thread and stitched before, that they too would be able to do this. The other thing I did was, once I had finished all the embellishing, I wanted people to be able to make the lined drawstring bag and not just say, put it together. So I give very detailed instructions and a whole video on how to finish it so that you end up with this lined drawstring bag, including the stitching on the twill tape. I also have links to all the materials and where to get them so that you can click onto each item and purchase it directly. So I'm excited about my latest project. And then, because my mother saw it and I posted it on my blog, Where Art and Life Meet, she loved it, and so she wants one. So now I'm making a version of it for my mother. And there it is so far. The other thing I just want to say about this is that there are all kinds of little things that are added here. So there are Dorset buttons, there are stuffed shapes, there are bits of other materials that I've used and incorporate within the design. lots of different things, lots of different techniques that you may not have seen before. This is a wrapped bead with some cast on tendrils coming out of the middle of it. I show how to hand dye cheesecloth and incorporate that, ruche it and add it. Lots and lots of different techniques of how to layer. So I hope you'll go over to Etsy and take a look. If you're interested, purchase it, and I'd love to hear how it goes. Now I'm on to designing my next stitch along, and once I have that all done, I'll put that out there into the world as well. Until then, here's to stitching together.